Oh. Just wait for Sal. Sal's gonna like try and light us up. Because pistols are OP as fucking suicide.
Dad! He left to go find his dad.
Go, Dan. Watch for Sal. Watch for Sal. You're hit, Andy. Hit. Bro, I'm getting low. Come on, Andy, peek!
Oh my God!
Watch out, I'm moving up here. Jeremy!
What?
Watch for out their entrance. There's probably plenty of guys over there.
Can I get up and move or no?
Yeah, you can, you can. Plus the right side, there's probably plenty of people down there. I need someone to cover me. I need you guys to cover me. I'm gonna pick it up. Guys, cover him, cover him. Now lift it up, you two lift it up.
Can I come through that door?
No, they can't.
Is that the only door that they can through?
Yeah, they come through there. There's an entrance over there. Watch out, I'm gonna lift it.
He's in the left side, right building. Okay.
Oh, fuck you, Sal. Sal has literally the reaction time of a
Did you get him?
No, he got me. I literally, split second, I went around, he's like, bang, bang.
Go through the right door. Just run through the right door.
Yeah, I'm gonna lift the tire up. Just cover me, I'm gonna lift it up. Yes, good job.
Sorry, Cody, I love you!
Now we gotta bring it. Is there an exit out that way? Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Oh, double? Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's get over here. We just gotta get over and support the tire. Dan, you good? Okay. You gotta get in there. Just shoot him, just shoot him. Just shoot him, just shoot him. Light him up.
Watch out, guys, I'm gonna get the face.
Bang, bang. That's more than 10 feet. That's more than 10 feet. That's more than 10 feet, okay. Oh wait, same team, same team. Really? What? Go. Watch out for Cody. He's literally. Did
anybody hear that?
There you go. Cody's literally flinching as I'm shooting him, and he's like, he's standing there. I'm like, did you hit it? Did I hit you? He's like,
one more time.
There we go. Hit it.
Go.
We gotta get in there. We gotta get it.